Good afternoon, children. Let us continue the lesson Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. In the course of time, the Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 385,000 to 172,000 years ago. The tool types of this period underwent a change and smaller artifacts were used. There is a change between middle and the lower Paleolithic period in Tamil Nadu. The archaeologists found coals, flakes, scrapers, knives, borers, Levalloisian flags, and hand axes, cleavers are the artifacts type of this period. Compared to the previous phase, these tool types became smaller in size. Evidence for the Middle Paleolithic culture can be observed in some parts of Tamil Nadu. In the southern part of Tamil Nadu at Pudupatti, Sivarakotai, artifacts of the Middle Paleolithic tools have been collected. Also near Tanjavur and Ariyalur, similar artifacts have also been found. Now let us know about the Mesolithic culture. Okay, children? In many parts of the world and in some parts of India, the Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded in Middle Paleolithic culture. There is no evidence for the Upper Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. But the people who used microliths or small stone artifacts lived in many parts of Tamil Nadu. Adirambakam, Gudiyam cave yielded both early and middle Paleolithic artifacts. Since this cultural period occurs between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture, it is known as Mesolithic culture. In between Paleolithic and Neolithic is called Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic culture. Evidence for the existence of Mesolithic hunter gatherers is found at Chennai, North Arcot, Dharmaburi, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Pudukottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli and Kanyakumari. The Theri sites, what do you mean by Theri site? Theri means the Mankuviyal nu solluvom. Theri sites near Thoothukudi have evidence of microlithic artifacts. These sites have red sand dunes called Theris. The people of this period used small artifacts made of chert and quartz. The tool types are scrapers, lunats, and triangles. These people hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and roots for their subsistence. Scrapers, what do you mean by scrapers? As we are using now scrapers, தோல் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு பயன்படுத்துவோம் இல்லையா scrapers are tools used for scraping the surfaces. மரத்தை செதுக்கிறதுக்கோ இல்லை இடத்த ஏதாவது செதுக்கிறதுக்கோ அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க இந்த they used the scrapers. Scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. Triangles are tools in the shape of triangles. Lunates are tools in the shape of crescent. What do you mean by crescent? Half moon shape. So lunates என்னது half moon shape நம்ம என்ன வச்சுருக்கிறோம் நம்மளுடைய geometry boxல, that is what lunates. Okay, Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called as Neolithic. People எப்போ விவசாயம் செய்ய ஆரம்பித்தாங்களோ அந்த பீரியடை வீட்டில் அனிமல்ஸை டொமஸ்டிகேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பித்த பீரியட் தான் என்ன பீரியட்? நியோலித்திக் பீரியட். லித்திக்னா கல், புதிய கற்காலம். இட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் த நியூ ஸ்டோன் ஏஜ். த நியோலித்திக் பீப்புள் யூஸ்ட் பாலிஷ்டு ஸ்டோன்ஸ். ஓகே, அண்டர்லைன். What is the difference between Mesolithic and Neolithic and Paleolithic? Underline that. So easily you can remember. The Neolithic people used polished stones, axes called cells. Cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in a small villages. Now they started to live together. They started to prepare their houses. They lived in a small villages with houses made of thatched roof. தாட்சிட்னா என்ன? வில்லேஜிலெலாம் போய் பார்த்தோன்னா எப்படி மொட்டை நம்ம மாடி கட்டுற மாதிரிலாம் இல்லை, தாட்சிடு. அந்த ரூஃப் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஓலையில் கட்டின ரூஃப் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? தாட்சிடு அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் ரூஃப். அண்ட் வால்ஸ் and plastered with clay. Evidence of Neolithic village is found at Payamballi in Vellore district, and a few sites in Dharmaburi. Region. Then Payamballi is a village district of Tamil Nadu. The earliest evidence for the domestication of animals and cultivation of plants is found at this site, which was excavated by the Archaeological Survey of India. Evidence for pottery making and cultivation of horse gram and green gram has been found in this village. Now let us know about the Iron Age or Megalithic period. Iron Age is otherwise known as Megalithic period. The cultural period that succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. As the name suggests, people used iron technology. Now the Iron Age, Megalithic people started to use iron. The Iron Age was a formative period and the foundation for the Sangam Age. The invention of iron made the people developed their equipments, and it was the foundation for the Sangam Age. In this time, during the Iron Age, many parts of Tamil Nadu were occupied by people. An exchange relationship developed among the people. The people of this age had knowledge of metallurgy and pottery making. Now this megalithic people started to make pottery. They used iron and bronze objects and gold ornaments also. The megalithic people started to use iron, bronze, gold ornaments. Now let us know about the megalithic burial types. Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burials with large stones. Already we have studied Mesolithic people started to bury the dead body. Now these people also using the burial types. Iron Age is also known as megalithic since people created burial with large stones for the dead people. Within these burials, the skeletons or a few bones of the dead persons were placed along with grave goods, including iron objects. So, this megalithic people, they buried the dead body with some goods, including iron objects. The cornelian beads and bronze objects. Beads nanna இந்த கடல்ல கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா முத்து சிற்பிகள்லாம் cornelian beads and bronze objects. Some of the burials do not have human bones and they have only the grave goods. நிறைய archaeologists found that many places burial goods, burial body was not found, but some grave goods they found. They may be called memorial burials. It may be called as memorial burials. Then grave goods. Now let us know about the grave goods. What is grave goods? Grave goods are the objects placed in the burials along with the physical remains. That is bones. Physical remains means bones of the dead. People may have believed that these would be useful in the afterlife. Egyptian pyramids also have similar artifacts. Similar burials were also built in the early historic period or the Sangam age. The Sangam literature mentions the various burial practices of the people. The megalithic burials are classified as dolmens. If you see the books, what is dolmen, you can found. Burial places, dolmens. Some of the names given by the people, dolmens. Cysts, menhirs, rocket caves, and burial, and sarcophagus. What are they? You can find all these pictures in your book. The burial types of Kodakal, it is there. See, look at the book. Kodakal, it is found in Kerala. Kodakal, and that is umbrella stone. அந்த கொடை மாதிரி கல் வச்சு அதுக்கு கீழே இருக்கும் பாரு, கொடக்கல், ஃபவுண்ட் இன் கேரளா. அண்ட் பத்திக்கல் இங்கே இருக்கு பாரு, that is also found in Kerala. Pattikal, Kodakal, and are found, and Thuppikal. Pattikal, Thuppikal, Kodakal are found in Kerala. Now let us know about the Lumeria and the Tamils. See left side in your book. Some researchers relate the origin of the Tamils to the submerged continent of Lumeria. This theory of Lumeria continent was proposed in the 19th century. In the wake of advancements in plates, tectonics theory. What theory? Tectonics theory. Differing views are put forth by the scholars. The available literary references point to the submergence of area around Kanyakumari. The Lumeria continent, you will study, or you might have studied about the Lumeria continent. கன்னியாகுமரிக்கு கீழே ஒரு பெரிய கண்டமே இருந்திருக்கு. அந்த கண்டத்துக்கு பேர் என்ன? லுமேரியா காண்டினென்ட். Some parts of Sri Lanka, Tamil Nadu were connected by land about 5000 years BC. It is possible that some land might have submerged, கடலுக்குள்ள புதைஞ்சிருக்கு, near Kanyakumari and around the coast of India because of the rising sea level. தண்ணி மேலே வந்ததுனால காண்டினென்ட்டே உள்ளே போயிருக்கு. Underwater surveys are necessary in this area. Archaeological research reveals that at least a section of people may have been living continuously in South India, including Tamil Nadu from the Mesolithic and the Neolithic period. Okay, children. Now let us know about the agriculture and pastoralism. Okay. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture and they domesticated, as we have studied earlier. Neolithic period, those people, they did agriculture and pastoralism, and they domesticated cattle and sheep, and some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Millets and rice were cultivated. What they cultivated? Underline millets. They started to cultivate millets, rice. Irrigation management developed in this period. Since many of the megalithic sites are found nearby rivers and tanks in the deltaic regions, irrigation as a technology had developed. Evidence of the rice is seen in the megalithic sites like Adichanallur in Thoothukudi district and Porundal near Palani. Underline Adichanallur, Porundal, Thoothukudi district layum, Palani layum. Next, Iron Age society and polity. அவங்களுடைய Iron Age people, how they lived, that we are going to study. The Iron Age society had farming communities. Pastoralists, what do you mean by pastoralists? ஆடு மாடு மேய்க்கிறவங்க. Okay, pastoralists and hunter gatherers. And hunter gatherers, craft specialist, potters and blacksmith were the professionals during this period. The society had several groups of peoples. The size of the burials and the people People had several groups of people. This size of burials and the variations found in the burial goods suggest the existence of numerous social groups and their diverse practices. Some of them seem to have had organized chiefdoms. What do you mean by chiefdoms? சின்ன சின்ன குறுநில மன்னர்கள் அந்த மாதிரி வாழ ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. Cattle lifting leading to wars and encroachment and expansion of territories had also started taking place in this period. Now let us know about the pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make blackware and redware potteries. Red color black color they prepared their potteries. Potteries were used for cooking, storage and dining purposes. What do you mean by dining purpose? The black and redware pottery has a black inside and a red outside with lustrous surfaces. Iron technology and metal tools. Iron technology and metal tools. Let us know. What is the megalithic burials have abundant iron objects placed in the burials as grave goods, weapons such as swords and daggers, axes, chisels, underline all these things, lamps and tripod stands. What do you mean by tripod? Mukkali nu solluvom, moonu kaal vechi mela mukkali. Now also we are using that. Tripod stands are also found. Some of these objects were hafted to wooden or bone or horn handles and used. What do you mean by hafted? adula use pannirukanga. Wood, bone, horn handles and all. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and in battles. What do you mean by battles? Because அவங்க chieftains ஆயிட்டாங்க, chiefdoms ஆக்கிட்டாங்க, village ஆக்கிட்டாங்க, ஊர் ஆக்கிட்டாங்க. Now சண்டை போட ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க. Battles. Bronze bowls, vessels with stylish finials முடிக்கிறது, decorated with animals and birds. Bronze mirrors and bells have also been found in this iron technology period. What do you mean by which period? Megalithic period. Okay children, this is about our lesson. We have completed the lesson so far. Now I will send you the answers for 2 marks and you mark it in your